I'm actually Bertie, the Assistant Police and Crime Commissioner for the West Midlands. In 2015, we noticed a significant uplift in youth criminality. A number of young people lost their lives as a result of knives and guns and other weapons. We had local communities tell us this was absolutely unacceptable, and we had to work differently to ensure we give young people the opportunity to succeed in life. So in response to the rise in youth criminality, we set up a Gangs and Violence Commission in March 2016. The Gangs and Violence Commission, at its heart, had local communities front and central. We wanted to work with local communities about what their issues were, and most importantly, what we could do to tackle them. So we started 18 months of consultation, working with local communities, different agencies in the public sector, around what we could do differently to give young people new opportunities to fulfil their potential and maximise their talents. In December 2017, we launched a report. Front and centre of the report of the Commission said that we have to have a public health response, that law enforcement solutions would not produce the right necessary tools to enable young people to get in life. We had to have prevention at the heart of what we do to ensure we give young people the life skills they need and the chances they need to fulfil their aspirations. We had a number of recommendations, 24 in total, that gave young people that chance. One key recommendation we put forth in the report was around negotiators, people who work in local communities where there were gang tensions, who knew the terrain, knew local people and knew the issues, and to talk to young people about their problems and to make sure we stop them from picking up a knife and picking up a gun, and make sure we give them the chance to voice their frustrations about what's going on in their lives. These negotiators are crucial work. We cannot have people going to communities who do not know the terrain, who do not know the streets. We need credible people talking to young people about their problems, and that's one of the key things we will start to commission. Another key recommendation in our report relates to cadets. Now, we have a number of young people in Birmingham and across the West Midlands who want to do everything they can to fulfil their potential and contribute to society, but sometimes don't have the avenue to express their frustrations and to express their talents. Our cadet scheme, working with the West Midlands Police and working with others, is necessary for that recommendation. We have said at least 25% of our cadets must be from socially deprived backgrounds, because although we want all people, regardless of class, regardless of race and ethnicity and creed and religion, to get on our programme, we recognise that young people who live in socially deprived backgrounds, more than anybody else, need the opportunity to grow and learn. And we have made a commitment that at least 25% of the people on our cadet scheme will be from socially deprived backgrounds. Another key recommendation in our report, which we will soon commission, relates to youth workers in A&E departments. When young people present themselves in A&E with stab wounds or gunshot wounds, that is often known as the teachable moment, where young people recognise where they've gone wrong and want to change their lives. We will soon commission youth workers to talk to young people at that moment, to work with them not just at that moment, but also work with them post their time in A&E, to really make sure we give them the right advice, the right guidance to go in life and put behind them the street criminality aspect behind. We also, one of the key recommendations in our report relates to mentoring. Mentoring is crucial for young people. A lot of young people we worked with through the work of the Gangs and Violence Commission unfortunately don't have the right guidance in their lives. We need to make sure people who've come from similar backgrounds and succeeded in life give back to their communities and give back to young people and tell them what they can do to achieve. Our mentors will be from right across the business sector, right across the public sector and the private sector, people who have achieved fantastic things from similar backgrounds and will teach young people around the pitfalls of life and what they can do to fulfill their potential and get in life. So we have a number of recommendations which we've put forward in our report. £2 million in total the Commission has put towards making sure we give young people the right skills in life. And we must make sure as much as possible we continue to believe in young people, we give them the hope, the aspiration, the dreams, the courage and the motivation to get in life, because young people are our future. Our future is dependent upon them, and the Gangs and Violence Commission, which we have set up here in the West Midlands, is one avenue to make sure we give young people those tools to get on in life and succeed.